Hi kids! My name is Angelica, I'm 19 years old and I'm from Mexico. First, let me introduce my family. My family is integrated by my mom, my dad, my little sister and my little brother, including my cute bunny and my dog. First, she's my mom, her name is Alma Vadillo. Then, he's my dad, his name is Jorge Salinas. He's my little brother, Jorge Mauricio. She's my little sister, Susie. She's the cutest bunny ever, Cosa Bona. And my adorable dog, Baloo. Now, let me talk about a little bit of me. What I almost like to do is doing crafts, playing tennis, reading, listening to music, and chat with my friends. I consider myself as a very honest, responsible, kind, funny person. I really love playing with kids. They are so adorable, cute, funny. So now, why you should show me as your next au pair? I think I'm very creative, funny, kind, responsible, honest, and also I have a lot of amazing ideas that I can do with your kids. I'm looking forward to hear from you.